All right, guys. Oh my God, we're so happy to be here today. It's a closing date of your beautiful apartment. Well, first of all, congratulations on your purchase. I wanted to first ask you a few questions. First of all, when you guys started thinking about buying, what fears did you guys have coming into the buying process?
There I go. There was a few. So as first-time home buyers, there's a lot that you don't know about the process, about all the details, about all the steps. There's all of this chatter about the interest rates, about the inventory, and like you don't always know what's going on. So one of the most important things that for us was just to be explained everything. Like we're both people that we need to understand every single step, and you've been super good about explaining every little detail from beginning to end. So we've always been aware of what's going on. We've never been in the dark, and that was one of my biggest fears. At least, like I wanted to make sure that I had somebody that would hold my hand through the whole thing and explain everything. So
Yeah.
that was great.
What we wanted was a white glove service, and I feel like that's what we got with your team, and everyone here kind of explained to us the whole procedure